Celebrative dessert. Let's make some payasam, a caramelized one. Let's start off by pouring some ghee into the mixing bowl. Heat it for a minute at 120 degrees spoon mode. We are going to roast almonds, cashews, and raisins for 8 minutes, 120 degrees Celsius at spoon mode. Place sugar and double cream in mixing bowl to caramelize for 12 minutes, 120 degrees Celsius, speed 1.5. And this is the color I'm looking for. Add milk and mix well at 5 seconds, speed 3.5. Once done, transfer to a bowl. Place drained rice in the mixing bowl. Cover with lid and measuring cup. Grind the rice. Turbo 2 seconds twice. Scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl. Add reserved hot boiling water into the mixing bowl. Cover with lid and cook for 15 minutes, Varoma reverse spoon mode. Caramelized milk and mix well. Cover and cook for 6 minutes, Varoma reverse spoon mode. Towards the last 2 minutes, add cardamom powder through the lid hole. Here we have our caramelized payasam. It's perfect.